job. Those look awesome. All right, you guys ready to set them off?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
So it's back to the bomb range with something to prove.
Yeah, I got high hopes.
If these rockets can't bear a much bigger load, the myth is as good as busted.
All right, so our first test is going to be our control. This is our new and improved rockets with no weights. We'll find out how fast they go.
This time, they've hooked up the rocket to a much safer electric fuse, and Carrie's about to show how she responds in a moment of pure panic.
In 3, 2, 1. Okay.
The skyrocket turned kamikaze, but it stayed straight enough for long enough to get the data. 96 miles per hour at the top of the scale.
I also learned something very valuable, which is, when in peril, I will use one of my coworkers as a human shield. Sorry, Grant.
But Grant remains unfazed. He's already decided they can afford to up the starting weight.
So I think we can go directly to the 150-gram load, which is exactly what the consumer-grade firework could do for its maximum capacity.
By adding small weights to single rockets, they hope to find out if 400 fireworks really could launch a human.
In 3, 2, 1. It's gone!
I don't think that weight did a whole lot.
That weight didn't do anything.
Actually, it did, but the homemade rocket bore its burden with relative ease.
All right, that is 53 miles per hour, so not even 50% yet.
Well, I'd also like to point out that the commercial ones we were using before looked like they were slowing when they got to the top of the scale. These have way more thrust. I think we can add even like double the weight.
All right, let's take it up to 300 grams. All right.
So Tori glues 6 nuts to the top of the cone of the next skyrocket.
Does it seem dangerous to launch 300 grams of steel into the air?
Well, given the flight path of the first rocket, yeah.
In 3, 2,
What's this
1.
person doing? It's 55.